Hey everyone, how's it going? I am Aline. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about the Alpilean. So if you are looking for a really fast way and a safe way to lose weight and you don't know what to do anymore but you really want to lose weight, guys, the Alpilean is a perfect solution for you all. And I'm here today to basically spill out every detail and every info that you need to know about the Alpilean. So come with me, watch this video until the very end, and I promise you that hopefully by the end of this video, everything regarding the Alpilean will be so much more clear. All right. Now, there is something very important you need to know. If you do want to purchase the Alpilean, you need to only buy it on the official website. All right. I figured out that is the only place that has the original Alpilean. Plus, it is only allowed to be sold on the official website. So if you have seen it anywhere else, forget about these places. All right. I will be leaving the link for you guys just here below this video in the description box. So if you do want to purchase the Alpilean, get to know more about it, go to the official website. It's going to be just a click away. Now, the Alpilean, many people have like the big question, what is Alpilean? How does Alpilean work? What does it contain? Let me answer those questions now. Alpilean is a natural supplement, so it was basically designed to help people to lose weight, detoxify their bodies, and remove even the most stubbornest fats that may be localized in your body. So basically the Alpilean will help you to speed up your metabolism, and once your metabolism is working the way it should be, you are going to start to eliminate fats from your body much more faster as well. So Alpilean does come with other benefits. Maybe you've heard about it before. Alpilean will give you more energy and disposition to do your tasks throughout the day. It will also help you guys to have more like a better immune system. So it's really important to have a great immune system nowadays, right? Especially with what's going on in the world. So it's really great because you're going to have a better immune system. You're going to have a healthier heart. Basically, guys, you can see where I'm going here, right? Alpilean is going to simply fix up your body's overall health. At the same time, it is helping you to lose weight. So it's really great how it works, and I've seen it work on people, and I've seen other people's feedbacks on it, and I'm here to prove to you guys that this supplement really does deliver what it promises. I mean, this is like a supplement that at the moment you get to know about it, you're like, okay, I doubt it. But once you really see it working, once you really read people's feedbacks, you're like, wow, this is simply great. So if I were you, like if you really want to lose weight, guys, if you really want to fix up your overall health and see Alpilean working its magic, give it a chance. The official website's here, all right? Just remember though, take your treatment seriously, use it every single day, do not skip out on any days, and the results will come. Plus, Alpilean gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you guys get 60 days to, test it out, take it every day and see how you're going to adapt to it. Or if you're unhappy, you go back to the official website to ask for a refund and you will get all of your money back. All right? But guys, give it a chance. I know you won't regret it, and I know you're going to have great results, and you're going to basically feel so happy about yourselves, and your self-esteem will be basically blowing out the roof. So don't forget, all right? Alpilean is here to help you guys out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay safe, have a great day, and see you next time. Bye.